guys! What's up? Alpha Lion Simba here, and welcome to another episode of Amazing Animals of the Amazon. Well, it's time to talk about parrots once again, and this is one of the Amazon's most famous parrots, and that is the Scarlet Macaw. So, let's begin. Cue the intro.
Here we see the king vulture, native to the jungles of South America. As is the case with all vultures, they have rather weak talons.
A fully grown scarlet macaw weighs 200 grams or 2 to 3 pounds. They are 85 to 90 centimeters or 33.5 to 35.4 inches long, and they have a wingspan of 44 to 47 inches. Scarlet macaws are highly social birds that often gather in flocks of 10 to 30 members. As is the case with all parrots, in the wild they usually eat fruits, nectar, and flowers, and they hold their food with their zygodactyl feet, which resemble the yoke fitted over the head of plowing animals, and they're able to crack through even the toughest of nuts with their sharp-edged beaks. And macaws even eat clay to aid in their digestion. Scarlet macaw's breeding season is usually in the spring and early summer, although some pairs will breed almost year-round. Like most parrots, scarlet macaws mate for life and nesting from January through April in the holes of dead canopy trees. Scarlet macaws usually lay 2 to 4 eggs per brood, which hatch after an incubation period of 24 to 28 days. However, while their parents take turn in feeding the chicks, the parents will not raise another brood until juveniles become fully independent. The fledging period lasts around 100 days, and they reach maturity at 3 to 4 years old. Scarlet macaws typically live for 40 to 50 years. And scarlet macaws are popular as pets because, like many parrots, they can imitate a wide range of sounds, such as car alarms and human speech. Macaws are one of the most vocal members of the species, and they can be trained to talk. Although the scarlet macaw is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, its population in the wild is decreasing due to habitat loss and capture for the pet trade. There are currently 20,000 to 50,000 scarlet macaws left in the wild. Well, that was it. My Amazing Animals of the Amazon episode on the Scarlet Macaw. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave requests in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alpha Lion Simba, out.